teachmewp.com, your best new media how-to resource. I'm your host, Dave Holowiski, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about menus, which are new in WordPress 3.0. First thing, I hope everybody is enjoying the new show format. It's much faster and shorter, no advertisements, but if you do want to support the podcast, you can head over to teachmewp.com and you can click the donate link there. Basically, it's enough to buy me a coffee, which is about $2.50 Canadian, and I'd really appreciate that. So let's get on with the show. On the teachmewp.com website, you'll see along the top I have a menu bar, which is kind of a mess. There's a whole bunch of stuff there. And this is just something that's kind of grown with the website, and it used to be pretty tough to do menus in WordPress. With the introduction of 3.0, they added an actual menuing system. Now, your theme does have to support it. In my case, I'm using the Athahuwilpa theme, which is an awesome theme and does support menus. So to set up the menus in WordPress, you just go to your website dashboard, which is your website address /wp-admin, and along the left-hand side, you click on Appearance. And then under Appearance, there's a new option called Menus. If you don't see this, just make sure you're using at least version 3.0. So this is what you'll see when you first come to Menus. And what I'm going to do is create a menu just called Menu 1. And I'm going to create menu. So now I've got my menu. And along the left-hand side here, we're going to ignore this top thing for now. Now we can set up custom links. I can add pages to my menu or categories. So I'm going to add a couple pages here. I'm going to add About. I'm going to add the HostGator deal, which even though it's an advertisement, it's a pretty good deal. Contact me for sure. Subscribe for sure. I'm going to leave the advertising stuff off because I'm kind of going away from that. And I'm going to leave it at that for now. So I'm just going to click on Add to Menu. And you'll see that now under Menu 1, I've got a bunch of stuff here. So you can also change the order of these just by dragging them. So I want to put Contact Me after About. So you see I just click and drag it. And I want to put Subscribe first. And so I'm going to save this menu. Now the option here, this Theme Locations, you might not see this depending on your theme. In my case, what I can do is for Menu 1, click and choose Menu 1 and hit Save. If you don't have that option, don't worry. Most themes actually will just pick this menu up automatically and use it. So let's have a look at the website, teachmewp.com, and here we can still see the old menu bar. I'm just going to click on the address bar to refresh, and you'll see now we have the new menu bar. So I just want to show you a couple of things here. Just make a note of this option, automatically add new top-level pages. You can check that if you want. That'll make the menus act kind of like they used to, where if you add a new page, it automatically shows up on your menu bar. In my case, I have a custom menu bar, so I don't want that. Custom links, if I wanted to link to, say, my corporate website, I can put in an address to any website here and add that to the menu. Over under the pages and categories, just know that you can click on View All, and you can see all of your pages and all of your categories. If you have a lot, you can also search them. And that's really it for the menu options. Just don't forget to always click on Save Menu when you're done. So that is all for the episode today. I showed you how to use menus in WordPress 3.0, which is extremely easy, but one of those awesome power features that WordPress has. So if you have any questions, comments, feedback, or show topics that you'd like to see, or if you'd like to buy me a coffee, head on over to teachmewp.com, and you can post a comment, you can donate, you can do whatever you'd like there. You can also follow me on Twitter. I am D Holowiski. And if you want to send me an email, you can email podcast@teachmewp.com. That's all for the episode today. Have a great day.